Hello, State Farm. We're here on Jose Vasquez's roof trying to do a spot repair here on this missing shingle. Well, right away, I'm noticing that this roof is 2 layers. Let's go ahead and show you. So we pull up here, let me zoom out. So here we've got a missing shingle. And underneath, we've got a layer of damaged 3-tab. So this right here is not a nailable substrate. We can't put nails into here to do good repairs on this roof to allow for the repairs to actually hold, because nails going into here is not gonna stay. 3-tab organic shingles is not a nailable substrate. So, guess that kind of ends our repair video right there. So, this roof is 2 layers. We can't do proper repairs on this 2-layered roof because these shingles are not in good shape. We can't put nails into this that are gonna hold. That's gonna cause us problems down the road. As you can see on the roof, it's very old. It's got supporting hail damage to the wind. As you can see, there's lots of blistering. Some of it is due to the heat, which obviously is not a sudden loss, but nonetheless makes it very difficult to repair. If we were going to try to repair this wind damaged shingle, we would have a hell of a lot of trouble. And again, it is 2 layers. There is some supporting hail damage up here. Please consider replacing the full roof, given the fact that it is 2 layers. We can't nail proper repairs into a layer of organic 3-tab shingles. It's not a nailable substrate. And these shingles would be too crispy anyways. Thank you for your consideration, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.